Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make green vegetable salad. First, choose your favorite greens, such as crisp romaine or tender spinach, ensuring they are super fresh. Next, gather all your other vegetables and dressing components. It's crucial to wash everything thoroughly under cool water to remove any dirt or impurities. Then, gently dry your greens using a salad spinner or paper towels. This step is key for a non-soggy salad. Now, let's prepare our vegetables. Start by tearing or chopping your chosen greens into manageable, bite-sized pieces. For other vegetables like cucumbers and bell peppers, slice them thinly, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch. Dice your tomatoes and onions into uniform, small pieces to ensure every forkful has a balanced mix of flavors and textures. This careful preparation makes a big difference in the final salad experience. A great salad needs a fantastic dressing. For a simple vinaigrette, combine 3 tablespoons of good quality olive oil with 1 tablespoon of your preferred vinegar, like apple cider or red wine. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, plus a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Whisk these ingredients vigorously until they are well emulsified and creamy. This homemade dressing elevates the entire salad. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. In a large bowl, gently combine all your prepared greens and vegetables. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything carefully until every piece is lightly coated. Serve your delicious green vegetable salad immediately to enjoy its peak freshness and satisfying crunch. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.